are going to do lesson 9.6, expand and trade subtraction. This is part 1. So the first thing I want to show you is the problem in front of you on the board, 43 minus 27. So I am showing the number 43, our larger number, by showing 4 tens and 3 ones. So you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 3 ones. So my job is to subtract 27. So I'm going to start over here in my ones place. I have 3 ones. I need to take 7 away. Now you can't take 7 away here. You don't have enough. You only have 3. So what I can do is I can come over to one of these tens and I can break this 1 10 up into 10 ones. Watch this. Boom. I just moved them and I was able to chop those 10 into 10 ones. And you can see that right here. It just kind of went on top of each other though. That's the only thing there. So I'm just kind of moving them around to make them a little neater. Okay, there we go. So here were your original 3 ones that you had here. And then we took that 1 10 and we broke it up into 10 ones. And you can see that right there. Okay, there's our 10 ones that we now have. So now we have 10 ones plus those 3. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 ones. So I'm going to now write how many ones we have. So we have 13 ones. I'm going to cross that 3 out. I'm going to place the number 13. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13. So right now you should be able to see how there are 13 ones. Now I have 1, 2, 3 tens. So I'm going to cross that 4 out. I had 4, but I took one of them and I broke it up into these 10 ones. So now I only have 3 tens. So now I'm going to subtract 13 minus 7. So I have 13 here. I'm going to take 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I have this amount left, 6 left. So I'm going to come under the ones. I'm going to write the number 6. Now I'm going to the tens. I have 3 tens. I need to take 2 away. So 1, 2, and I have 1 left. So I'm going to place the 1 there. Okay, so that is how we use trading in order to subtract. So basically, what we did was we took that extra 10 that was here, we broke it into those 10 ones so that we would have enough ones to subtract. Okay, I'm going to clear this now. And I'm going to show you the same type problem, only using shorthand. So, for example, the number 53, oh, wait a minute. Let me get my drawing tool back. And I think I'm going to use purple. So I'm going to now write 53. And let's subtract 37. Okay. So I'm going to, instead of drawing all those blocks, I'm just going to use the shorthand. So I'm going to show 53. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 3 ones. So I'll just put some 3 ones right there. So we can all agree that that is the number 53. All right, now I need to subtract 37. So if I come over here and look at the ones right here, I don't have enough. So what I can do is I can take this 10 away and I can regroup it as 10 ones. So I'll put those 10 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see that I regrouped those 10 ones. All right, so now I have 13 ones, and if you go over and count the ones, There's 10, 11, 12, 13. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. You don't want to count this one because that's the one you broke up and regrouped as 10 ones. So now we have 4. Now we're ready. We can do 13 minus 7. So let me flip my back here. 13 minus 7, so I'm going to take 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. And then 4 minus 3, I'm going to take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. And that leaves me with 110 right here. And there's my answer. So whenever you find that you don't have enough on the top, you're going to take one of your 10s and regroup it as 10 ones. You're trying to get more 10s here. So you just want to come over to you're trying to get more 1s here. So you're just going to come over to your 10s place, take an extra 10 there, break it up into 10 ones, and then you'll have enough. Okay, you can always check your answer by doing addition. So 6 plus 7 is 13, and 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, that's all for right now. Have a good day.